Let's have some Turkish pasta together. This was layered, but I filmed a full video for YouTube of me cooking it and trying it. It looks a lot better before I mix it. But we have some pasta, Greek yogurt with garlic and salt, ground beef with lots of sweet paprika, sauteed onions, fresh tomatoes, a fresh parsley. Wait, parcel?
Parsley.
Parsley. It looks sus, but it's so good.
You don't eat it.
Of course, I have Synergy kombucha. This time I have strawberry. It's so delicious. It's so good. It tastes like a strawberry paleta. It's so good. You will have garlic breath, but it's worth it.
One